Are your muscles really bugging you? I have something that will help. If you like it hot, and this is not for the faint of heart, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make the hot pepper muscle rub. I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing another DIY hot muscle pain rub. And I'm doing several different types of pain rubs so you can check them out and see which one works best for you. Now today I'm doing the hot pepper cream and it's from Maria Baru. I found that on Facebook. We'll check and see and if it is any good. Now this is not going to be for the faint-hearted. It has cayenne pepper in it, which actually has the capsaicin, which you see in a lot of pain creams over the counter. And it may be too hot for some of the people, just keep that in mind. And you don't want to use it near your eyes or your delicate areas. And you want to wash your hands right after applying it or wear gloves because it is very spicy, and if you get it in your eyes it will burn. And be sure and keep it away from infants and children. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing we're going to use is 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. It's probably about all I have. I don't normally use the cayenne pepper. I do use red pepper flakes more, which is the same thing. This is just ground. And next we're going to use 1 cup grapeseed. And we're going to go ahead and pour that in. And mix it up. After it's mixed up, we're going to put it on the double boiler. I'll see you over at my stove. If you don't have a double boiler, you can just use a pot of hot water and then put a heatable bowl or cup on top. And that way it will heat the product, but it won't scorch it. You want to heat the cayenne pepper and the oil together for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it is well heated. Next we will be adding 1/2 cup of beeswax. It calls for grated beeswax. I have the beeswax pellets, so that is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. We'll go ahead and stir this and keep it over the heat until the beeswax is fully melted. Okay, so it looks like the beeswax is all melted. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and we just need to go ahead and whip this up a little bit, get it all mixed. And then we'll go ahead and put it back in the refrigerator for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been another 15 minutes in the fridge. And what I'm going to do now is mix it all up again and then put it in the jars. So it's mostly all set up. But if I just kind of mix it all up, and maybe it'll have a nice consistency that we can go ahead and have a nice rub. Okay, so here's the consistency. It kind of looks like caramel. You want to make sure that the kids know it's not caramel and eat it. It would not be a good thing. They'd really burn their mouth. So this stays in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it, and it lasts for about a week and a half. And anytime that you deal with wax, You want to make sure that you just wipe it all out and get most of the wax out before you wash it so it does not clog up your drain. Okay, let's see how many I have. I have 2 4-ounce jars and a half of a one. And the funny part of this is I know that it has cayenne pepper in it, and cayenne pepper is hot, but the jars are just warm, and the mix has been in the refrigerator for 25 minutes, so it should be cooler. So that's telling you how much heat the cayenne pepper has. So I'm going to go ahead and try a little bit, and make sure that you either use gloves or wash your hands right afterwards so you don't get it near your eyes or any delicate areas. Just have a little bit here, and I'm going to go ahead and rub this on. It goes on nice and smooth. I'm not feeling any really major heat, but it does feel good. And just an update on this. After I put it on, I didn't feel much heat when I first put it on, but after I put it on, I could feel the warmth. So I do like that. I think it's going to make my back feel a lot better. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you have any comments and suggestions, they'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.